Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you two simple steps on how to fix your Windows 11 PC is not shutting down. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for Control Panel. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match should appear in this window before you can proceed. Now, once it's here, please click on Open to continue. So the moment you do that, wait until a window would appear, which is your control panel window. And if your view doesn't look like this, simply proceed at the upper right side of that. You can see the view by. Please set it into large icons. Once you're done, navigate on the locating for power options. I can see it here being placed at the fifth row next to keyboard. So click on it. And the moment you do that, you would be able to see a window like this where you can choose or customize a power plan. And at the left pane of that, you can see there are a list of the options. So please click on choose what the power buttons do. And in that way, you will be able to bring up this power buttons that includes the shutdown settings. So please click this option, which is change settings that are currently unavailable. And the moment you do it, the shutdown settings which are being grayed out earlier will be now available for modifying or for changing the setting. So from here, please off this turn on fast startup. Now the factor or the reason why you have faced an error which is your PC is not shutting down is you have turned it on. So it's very important to turn it off. Okay? So once you have turned it off, click on save changes to apply that and close the window and try to turn off your PC. So navigate to the the start icon. Sorry for that. Click this power menu options and go with shutdown. The moment you've clicked on it, I'm sure it will be now turning off this time on. The second step that you can do is here at the bottom search bar, please type for CMD. Once you've typed it, a command prompt system would appear. Please click on Run as Administrator. Now, if your user account control would ask you to say yes, simply proceed with yes so that you can give permission on running this command prompt as administrator. Here, please type a command text which is power CFG space H space off. Again, it is power CFG space H space off. Simply post this video or take a picture or take a screenshot of this video so that you can take a note of this command text. Once the moment you click on the enter key, you would be able to turn off the PC. Okay? So in that way, you would be able to shut it down. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.